Then the application will continue with your personal details. So we'll start with the personal details that you created or you typed in when you were doing your registration. It's going to ask you if you need to make any changes to any of those details. Okay. After reviewing and updating your personal details, you can select Next. Then you would review your address information. If your address has changed, you need to make that change. You have an opportunity to put in your residential address, a mailing address, and an emergency contact. Okay. The person that was applying for this service did not have any other household members. He was in a household of one. But at this time, you would review your household information. Everybody listed in your household would be there, and you could make any changes to the amount of people in your household. Next would be your household relationship. The system will then ask, are the household members a U.S. citizen or a legal alien? And then it would ask for the relationship of that household. For this gentleman, this was his application, so he was self. So the applicant would be self. If you had a spouse listed, that would be your spouse. If you had children listed, you could list son or daughter. Okay. Then you also have the opportunity to say whether that person is a veteran or disabled. When you complete that page, you can click Next.